In section 12.3, we're going to be talking about the surface area of pyramids and cones. So a pyramid is a polyhedron with one base, so the big difference here is that in a prism we have two bases and they're parallel. Pyramid, we have one base. All other faces we call the lateral faces. And the height, remember, is going to be perpendicular to the base. So it's not going to be on the actual pyramid itself. And the slant height is the height of one of the lateral faces. So the formulas for the lateral and surface area of a pyramid: the lateral area is 1/2 times the perimeter of the base times your slant height. And the surface area is that lateral area, so 1/2 p times slant height, plus area of our base. So let's look at an example here. I want to find the surface area of the following square pyramid. So my base here is a square. So I got my formula. First, let's find the perimeter. This is a square, so I know that all the sides have to be 30. So the perimeter is 30 plus 30 4 times. And I get 120 meters. Next, let's find the slant height. If we kind of look at this as like a right triangle, I know that one of those legs is 36.4. That height is going to come like right in the middle of that base. So I know that that little leg there is going to be half of 30, so 15. To find the hypotenuse, I'm going to use the Pythagorean theorem. And I end up getting the square root of 1549.96. I'm just going to leave it as a square root so I don't round too much. So I'm just rounding in the very end. Finally, the area of our base is going to be 30 times 30 because it's a square, area of a square, base times height. So putting that all together, I have 1/2 times 120 times that slant height plus 30 squared. Put that all in the calculator. I get 2,362.2 meters squared. Next up, we're going to talk about cones. Cones are just a pyramid, but you have a circle base. So our lateral area is still 1/2 times the perimeter times slant height, but the perimeter of the base here would be the circumference. So when I plug that in, the 1/2 and 2 cancel out. So my lateral area I could just think of as pi times radius times slant height. Surface area is that lateral area plus the area of our base, which is a circle, so pi RL plus pi r squared. So let's find the lateral and surface area of the following cone, and let's leave everything in terms of pi. The lateral area, pi times radius times slant height. So pi times 15 times 25. This is pretty easy because they give us all the information that we need. So we're left with 375 pi. To find the surface area, I'm going to do that lateral area plus pi r squared. So 375 pi plus pi times 15 squared. And combining all that, I end up with 600 pi centimeters squared. And I'm done.